right now with the director of Total Care from and Product Care that's dealing with Shaw floors and their elusive lines. They're bringing in a wool line that's going to rival this year at their market. It's being released as in the next 3 to 4 weeks that the retailers from the flooring network with Shaw, they're going to have some new products from Anderson Tuftex coming out that have wool that they haven't seen in a long time to compete against products from Stark and to compete against products from Stanton. And I know we'll have someone that does Total Care and relationship management with specialty spot work for Stark. We've got our friend Eddie Burgess that's committed to come join us, and he's in Southern California and specifically deals as a specialist that they call on a national level when they have problems and how to solve them. He'll refer a local, or he may be that guy that gets flown in to take care of a spot. There's that need and that value of that serviced product. It's not just sold and, hey, go off to the street with it. When a product brand like Stark puts their name on it, it's not because they put their name on it became so much of a better product. It's because they support their product and defend and really value that relationship and what they bought in the brand name.
Well, what an opportunity. I mean, when has there maybe ever been, manufacturers reps and experts and designers, all people all the way up the chain in one room having a conversation with the folks that have to service this stuff at the that's what an opportunity to really learn to speak the language of everybody, because that's really with relationship building is you got to, I found in my business, speaking their language is really where the trust, you really cement that trust.
Lisa and Caleb and Mark have put together a great collection of professionals that I just feel honored to be part of, and on the group that gets to work together and share over this time, over these few days that we're going to be able to network at the end of February. And I hope everybody comes with an open mind, a good note-taking skill, and the ability to then bring that back home and implement it to their business to see an ROI of spending time to work on their business by understanding how their business operates and how it functions and connects to other parts of their business. So super, super thrilled.